Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a broken and stuck lug nuts. Yesterday, my plan was to replace the brakes and rotors of this Jeep. Unfortunately, upon removing the lug nuts, I broke one of them, so I had to stop. And I bought the part in Amazon. It was delivered the next day, and here it is. Oh, by the way, I tried to remove the broken lug nuts with the lug nut removing socket, but the broken lug nut is way too short for the socket to bite on, and I don't have the choice but to destroy the wheel stud in order for me to remove the tire. The tools we need for this fix are drill bits, cutting fluid, drill, punch, hammer, and a die grinder with a carbide burr cutting tool. Before you start to drill, make sure to use a center punch on the wheel stud. Then start with a small drill bit in an ascending order. It's easier to drill a hole that way. So I was in a dilemma here. My drill bit broke and it's inside the lug nut. So basically I can't continue drilling. If you have a drill bit extractor, then you're in luck. But if you don't have it, don't panic. You can use a die grinder to cut through the hole until it reaches to the point where the threads are no longer holding to the wheel stud. This may take some time, but it's effective. After grinding the stud and the broken drill bit, use the punch to break loose the remaining pieces. And that is all for today. I hope you like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. See you on the next video.